I'm going to unbox this phone. Lazada. Amazing! I don't know what it is. Let's see what's inside. It's a Nokia phone. See this, guys? See that? It's the old model. Why it's broken? It's kind of broken. Let's see. It's fail. This is China phone. It's working, but something's missing here. This one part is missing, but the phone seems okay to me. And this one is not good. It's because it's not covering. It's not, it's not. See that space? I'm gonna rate this out of 5 star. It's only 1 star because it's not complete packaging, and it has charger too. Let's see what's in this charger. Oh, cool. She's charger. It has a charger. It's a free charger, and the charger is not original. It's a local, I think. Do you think it's local? What do you think, guys? It's local. This is the phone. How am I change this settings? Language. It is China. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.